Today we got cardio and abs today. It's gonna be a shorter little circuit, but it's body weight and it's still gonna burn. So we're gonna do one round of a little bit of cardio, one round of some abs. We wanna focus on it, right? I don't know where you are at, but it's February now. We're gonna get shredded, gonna get ready for summer here in Arizona. So we're gonna work the abs. So the first thing that we have today for our cardio is burpees. If you're wanting to add an extra notch, we're gonna throw in a tuck jump. You don't have to, just like I said, working on them shredded abs, wanna get lean and mean. So either way, you're hitting those burpees. You're here. Or you're adding in that tuck jump as well. Next, we got some abs. Just stay tuned. We're gonna work it. All right, so now we're on to our cardio portion number 2. We're gonna be doing high knees. So you're either gonna stay here, you can either drive your knee or make it a full body and drive here for 40 seconds. So either way, you're either here, you're driving, you're here, and you're just kind of tapping, or we're going all out. 45 seconds. I'm driving that knee up into my chest. My back is straight. Whew. Either option that you choose, 1, 2, or 3, still gonna be working, still gonna get that heart rate high. So make sure we're just breathing like I need to be doing right now, and then we'll hit the floor for some more reps. All right, so I grabbed a ball, right? So much fun. What we're gonna do is you're gonna walk all the way out to where your glutes are just touching that ball, and then you're gonna roll back a little bit more. So I have the ball right under my abs, and I'm just gonna come up. I'm breathing on the way down and exhaling on the way up to really put it into that core. So if you need to feel it more, roll back a little bit more so the ball is actually on your glutes and your core is kind of somewhat off that ball. It's gonna put that constant tension straight into that core. This one burns like no other. So just make sure you're constantly getting it through, you're breathing through it, you're hitting that full 45 seconds. If you need to and you're making it really hard, you need to bring it back in for the rest of that time. Still gonna kill those abs. That one burns. Okay, the last set we have is gonna be some skaters. So you're gonna suck that belly button into that core. 2 different ways to do it. So one, we're working on that agility and you're popping all the way, putting all of that focus on that opposite foot, staying low. If you need to take that foot behind for stability, you have that option. But if you're really wanting to work on that balance, hop and hold. And then if you're not doing that today, you're stepping and taking that foot right behind at a faster pace to keep that heart rate up. So you're here, here, or if you want to speed it up, 45 seconds on of whatever it is that is. Keeping that chest tall, belly button sucked into that spine, working on that balance, working on that core. Let's hit the last little part of the legs. What am I saying? Abs. So tired. And you guys will be out of here. All right, last little part of core. We are going to focus on bicycles. What we're going to do is we're going to flex our feet the whole entire time. So we're flexing. We're going to put a little bit of pressure into those quads while we're lighting up those obliques. So we're laying down. That opposite elbow is going to go all the way into that opposite knee and then twist. And in the last 10 seconds, you're just going to speed it up. That is your cardio, body weight, and abs. Body weight seems like it doesn't really do much, but I promise you, 5 rounds through, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds of rest, you will be feeling it. You're going to be controlling that heart rate, moving really fast, working on that agility. As always, you guys, whatever you want to see, I love talking to you guys. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Jade Fitness, and hit that beautiful red subscribe button that is in that top corner for you. Catch you later. Bye.